Hello, welcome back to another How to Bloke, yet another How to Bloke. Today we're going to do something a little bit sweet. You can do this as a, I don't know, 4 o'clock snack or something, or sit by the fireside kind of thing. If you've got a fireside, open fireplace or whatever. If you haven't, don't worry about it. Anyway, I'll stop yakking on. S'mores, you've probably heard of them. They've got marshmallow in it. We've got biscuits. Like these ones are kind of cinnamon biscuits. What are they called again? I forgot.
They're called, in America they're called biscoff. In France they're called speculoos.
Yeah.
In Belgium, the Belgian biscuits.
I don't know what, I can't remember what they're called, but they've got cinnamon in them.
Yeah, the Belgian biscuits.
Forget about the mark, it doesn't make any difference. So it's their Belgian biscuits, they've got cinnamon in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go marshmallow, biscuits. You could use ordinary
graham crackers, digestive.
Digestives, yeah. Something with a little bit of flavour, something nice.
Any hard biscuit in it.
Chocolate, we're going to need some chocolate. Now this is 70%, I think, this one.
No, this one's 50, love.
50%, okay, 50% chocolate. You can use milk chocolate, but I would go, because you've got, that is super sweet, as you know, marshmallow. So going with something a little bit more adult, you know, taste-wise, get a chocolate that's a bit darker, I reckon. Give it a go, use either. So, what we're going to do is a little bit, it just stops washing up and all the rest of it, because this can get sticky, you know. So, this is just an ordinary foil tray, so we're going to go with that. And first off, we're going to put the biscuits in. Now, this is where you can get crafty with this, because you can just go like that, but they fit in there neatly, 3, 3, 3, like that. Now you can do these if you've got an open fireplace on a what do you call it? Oh, come on, my memory today, my brain's today is gone.
Fireplace.
No, you can. Well, if you've got a fireplace, you can do it on a skewer like this, you know. But people haven't. Obviously, if you live in a flat, you haven't got one of those things. So, right. So we're going to do some marshmallows. These are sometimes tricky to cut because they're sticky, but we should be alright with these. These are big ones.
Huge ones, aren't they?
These are big ones, yeah. Look at that. Look at that for a marshmallow. Right. But anyway, I've cut up some here. Look, we're going to go in with that like that. Right. Let's make them like that and like that. So one each for each piece of biscuit. In fact, I'm going to take one of them biscuits out of there. There's too many, I reckon.
Yeah, that's good.
It's good like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to cut these down. They don't have to be, don't make them too tall. About that's right. Otherwise, you're just going to end up with a mess in the bottom of a pan. So you want them about 1/2 inch, like that. And I'm going to go like that. A bit more on there, and then one of these on there. Okay.
And these are quicker to make as well than if you had to toast them maybe in a fireplace. I don't know.
I mean, sure, it's lots of fun, you know, seeing your marshmallows catch fire and stuff in front of the fire, but it's better.
Not everyone has a firefly.
No, but you can do it like this. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 squares, or thereabouts.
So pretty.
Per piece, okay? You can do 1 square. I'm just doing 2.
Yeah.
You know, live dangerously. Have 2 squares. Right, you don't want to eat this every day, of course. You know, once in a while. Okay, now we're going to go in with another biscuit on the top there, like that. Okay, so that's nothing too technical. I hope everybody's with us so far.
Will you be putting the recipe down in the description box?
No, I think everybody can follow. Can remember this.
I'm kidding.
Right, so no. Okay, so you've got biscuit, marshmallow, chocolate, biscuit. All right, so that's easy to remember. I put these away, have a little tidy up. That, of course, that one could be chef's privilege. You just stick that in there and go for it. I don't fancy it just a moment. I'll just have my lunch. So we're going to put this on. Now, how long are you going to put it in? That's a good question, isn't it? The marshmallow's got to be soft and squidgy. Squidgy? What's the definition of squidgy? Squidgy means not totally flat or melted or whatever, but it's got to have a lot of give in it. So what happens is the biscuit sticks both sides on it. Now it's going to be difficult to explain without showing you. So I'm going to put this in. I'm going to put it in for 10 minutes on high. Okay. Put it on a baking tray. This probably doesn't need 10 minutes, but I'm going to check after 5. But I'm going to say 10. I'm going to say 10 minutes. And we'll see, we'll come back. I'll check on 5, it might be 7 or 8, I don't know. We're going to come back, right? So I'm going to put this in there now, so I'll see you in a minute. Right, we're back. These are the oven baked s'mores. Now you can see there, they are squidgy. Like that. So we're going to leave them to cool down a little bit. And come back when they're kind of like... so take them out of the baking tray, put them on something that's a bit less hot, like an ordinary, like a trivet. Have I got a trivet? Yes, I've got a trivet.
Looks so good. And you get nice caramelization inside as well.
Right, there's a trivet. Well, I'm going to leave them to cool down a little bit. And so we can cut them. You cut them at the moment, they just be... I mean, you could spoon them out, I suppose, but we're not going to do that. Because look, they're wobbling too jiggly at the moment, so just leave them like that. But smell the biscuit, you can smell the biscuit. And the chocolate smells really good. Right, back when they're cooled down a little bit. Hello, we're back, we're back. We're doing these s'mores and things there. So let's have a look. So cooled down now a little bit. Yeah, it's cold now. You can pick it up. It's no problem. It's not jiggly too much anymore. So we're going to go in like this, and then
it's got to be messy. It's part of the fun, isn't it? Yeah, the s'mores always gooey.
Yeah, that's true. Right, the secret here is to remember which way you put the biscuits in. Let's take that out for a moment. And use a knife. Don't forget, you've got to get through the bottom biscuit layer, and then until you get the things out. So
whoa, that's a good one.
let's get them out together. Right. Yeah. Now, I don't think you can get stickier and messier than that.
Yeah, it's part of the fun.
Seriously?
Yeah.
This is what these children are going to go crazy about, these things. To me...
you can cut that one in half, maybe. That.
To me, I'd rather have a peanut butter sandwich. But there we go. The trick is here is to remember where you've separated the biscuit. This should become easier than this. So
that's the perfect s'more there, because you slightly marshmallowy on the side, you know.
Undoubtedly these will be scoffed within seconds.
Let's just look at
Let's try and get some of these out. Other ones out. Let's get them a plate.
Do you need volunteers to taste it?
I'll have volunteers in just a moment. Cut these ones this way, so we know that there or thereabouts is going to be the join. Right, should make it easier to get out. Should make it easier to get out. Ha ha, he says. Now, whoops. I know some people not far away are going to be going, wow.
Hold on.
Right, so there. Now that came out a bit better than the other one. You see how sticky they are, ladies and gentlemen. Now,
what's the fun of it though?
Now we can get some. Do you want to get some taste testers in or not? Yeah. I've got a taste tester here. For the first time, he's going to try it.
Got braces on, so.
Now Now, ladies and gentlemen, these taste. I can't have these because I can't. These have got biscuits have got gluten in, you see, so I can't have them, unfortunately.
Oh, too bad. Can I have yours?
Yeah, nobody seems to be cared about me. You know? Don't.
Delicious.
Anyway, what I was saying is, they taste. Apparently, they taste 10 times better than they look. So worth a try. If you've got these ingredients knocking around in your cupboard, a few biscuits, got a block of chocolate, and some marshmallows, give it a go. You know, what's to lose? Nothing. Anyway, would you recommend again? Make again, is it?
I definitely make again.
Right.
I like it better than on a fireplace somehow. I think the marshmallows toast better this way.
Yeah.
On a fireplace, some of it is not melted and the chocolate doesn't get too melted. So,
if you can find, here's a tip, if you can find a full tray that's less deep, or use a tray that's less deep, because it was difficult getting the thing, prizing them out of here. So get one that's half that depth, it'll be better, I think. Anyway, so there you have it. I have a bit of nonsense there for you to try. As I say, if you've got the ingredients, give it a go. What's nothing to lose? 20 minutes cooking it. And I've got some more recipes this way. I've got some quick tips here. I've got some DIY jobbies down here. And if you want to subscribe to this channel, that's me and all that jazz, is down there. So until next time.